Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting informative tech video of this DJI Gimbal. So now if you are looking to shoot a stable photo video with no shaky movements, has lots of effects, features, then this gimbal might be the best option for you, which offers a 3-axis stabilization and a capability to shoot a video up to 4K. If you are new here, well, this is Shivam Solanki. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and press the bell notifications on. So this is the DJI Gimbal bag, definitely a hard touch bag, protecting the gimbal from all the sides. Lots of premiumness in this product. You get this DJI badging here. Even on this two chains, you get this DJI badging. You get this two hooks here, so you can tie a belt here and wear it on your neck. So now let me open it up. This is how it looks like. So even on the strap you get this DJI written very nicely and tightly packed, so it does not move even an inch. In case if you are traveling on bike or something, it won't move. So guys, this is the DJI Osmo Plus Gimbal, and here I start with the detailed information of this gimbal. So guys, this is how the DJI Osmo Plus Gimbal looks like. So starting with the bottom part of this gimbal first. So you get a battery placement here, pull the switch up and it opens. Now this red one is the quick release button, push this down and the battery easily comes out. Now this one is the lithium polymer battery, which comes with the capacity of 1225 mAh. Now you have this DJI written here. Keep this back inside, close this up and lock it back again. Now this one is the wrist strap. You can wear it in your hand for a better grip, for better positioning. You get this DJI written here everywhere. You get the DJI badging here also. You get this DJI written here, DJI, and here it's Osmo. So this part is the rubber part. This part is the glossy part. So glossy and rubber combination, it gives you a better grip while shooting with this gimbal. Now this red dot is of the puja, which I did when I received this gift from dad. So this one is the power on off switch. This one is the power on off LED light indicator, DJI written here. This is the start stop record button. This is the shutter button. This is the joystick to move the camera up, down, left, right. This is the battery LED indicator. This is for the mobile mount. Now you can actually remove this. This is the detachable mount. You can extend this arms and stretch this, place your phone here. So this one is the gimbal securing ring. You can remove this. This is actually removable. So this camera and this part, it gets separated. Now in case if you want to mount your camera onto your helmet, then you need this one. Now this is the gimbal extension cable. So this ring part, it gets attached here, and the opposite part, it gets attached onto the other side of this camera. So these two parts will get separated. All right, so this is the pan motor. This is the pan axis lock. Unlock this and you can move this gimbal freely. So locking it back again. Now this one is the roll motor. Unlocking it. This one is the tilt motor you get. Now here you get this chotusa heat dissipation fan. This one is the micro USB port. This one is the micro SD card slot. So whatever shooting it does, it stores in the SD card. This memory card slot is actually compatible up to 64 GB. So just push this inside and it will come out. Just push this back again and it goes again inside. So you get this heat dissipation fan as well as the air vents, so the camera does not get heated. This is the main camera of this gimbal. Now it comes with the 3.5x of optical zoom and 2x digital zoom. So this camera, it actually does shooting up to 4K 12 MP of photos. Now here it says Zenmuse X3 zoom lens. So this is the trigger button. This one is the inbuilt mic of this gimbal. This one is for the external mic. In case if you want to connect any other mic, you can just plug in here. Here I rotate this one. You can see this small ring here. I will rotate this in case if you want to detach this mount, it gets separated itself like this. So I rotate this and it got separated. Here you get this mobile placement. You can connect your phone with this USB port or else Wi-Fi. So you need to download the DJI Go application in your phone. and connect this gimbal wirelessly. So whatever shooting it does with this camera, you can see the output on your phone's display and the DJI application itself. To unlock this gimbal, here are the two steps that you need to follow. So before switching it on, the first step to do is rotating this tilt motor manually with hand, and second is this pan lock. So I just need to slide this up. So now it's free. So let's switch it on now. So now it's on. Here it shows the green LED, the power is on. Here is the battery light indicator. So it's green, so it's charged up.
I thought I had it figured out, believed in us, we were meant to be, no doubt. A teenage love, everybody else could see the way we were, living in a fantasy.
So if I press this trigger 2 times, it will recenter the camera. Now if I press it 3 times, 1, 2 and 3, so it will be in the selfie mode. So this is how the trigger option works. So now if I hold this trigger, it will lock the camera. So now I can move this gimbal, but the camera will be in the same direction only. So you can see this because I have pressed this trigger. So you can rotate your hand, the camera will be in the same direction, it won't move. So now I will take my hand from the trigger. So now it's not locked, so you can see. So if I want to switch this gimbal on, I will press this switch. If I want to get into the sleep mode, then just a short press. Now to deactivate it, just press a bit and now it's out of the sleep mode. Here I am on the DJI Go Plus application in my mobile phone. So the result which you are seeing in the mobile phone is of my gimbal. So I'm shooting with this gimbal. So first one is the camera, second one is the video, third one here is the auto and the slow motion. So in this DJI gimbal you get this slow motion option also. Red one is the record button. Record button down you come, here you can select this auto. So in the auto, the ISO shutter speed and the exposure value you can set it on your own. Then you get this S mode. Then in manual mode you can do this manually also. Down if I come in the last one, video part. So this is all the things that I've shooted with my gimbal. So on the right hand side you get this home button. Clicking on this camera part you get this video resolution part. So this actually supports till 4K. So at present I'm shooting at normal HD rate 1920 by 1080 at 25 frames per second. You get this option of slow motion also. So here you can select the video resolution as per your interest. Down I come, here there is the option of this photo format. So RAW, JPEG and JPEG plus RAW. So these three are the formats. Color I come, here are the different effects you can see. This is the D-log. If I do, it will be a bit of low ISO value. So none. Result is like this: art, black and white, vivid, beach, here is the dream, classic, nostalgia and portrait. Standard style you can change here manually. Wide range of different effects at the same time. Now if you go for grid option, you can see this grid lines here. So to get a proper judgment while shooting a video or capturing a photo, you can go for this grid lines if you want. Grid plus diagonals, and you get the center point too. So at present I'm keeping this as none. Now we get this histogram and the mic control. At present what I am speaking, I have not connected any external mic. So this is the inbuilt mic of this gimbal which you are able to hear. So mic control, if you want to set this mic gain at 30, mic gain more, so it will be a bit louder. I kept it till 30. Now down I come. So here you can see this scene mode. So if I am walking, I'll select this walking. Sport mode, suppose in case if I am running, so I'll select this sport mode. So it will stabilize the video accordingly. Third one is the variable. So if you need to mount on your chest or maybe on the helmet, then you can select this variable part. At present I'm selecting this walking mode. Settings part. So clicking on the camera, you get this video format. It supports two video format, MP4 and MOV. Video standard is NTSC or PAL. Video caption, if you want to keep it on, you can. Image ratio 4:3, 16:9. Now I'm shooting horizontally, so it's 16:9. The time lapse format is in video. So this actually supports time-lapse in video as well as the photo. So on the upper part of the camera you get this infinity focus and as well as the autofocus. Upper side you can see this ISO value, exposure value, the shutter speed, the resolution in which you are shooting 1080p. The 59% is the battery percentage of this gimbal. So next to it is a Wi-Fi signal, so Wi-Fi is connected. Above this shutter button, this 360, you click on here, you get this multiple options of this photo. If you want a single shot also, you get this many options in HDR, maybe 5 seconds, 10 seconds timer, multiple continuous shots. Then you have this interval shots. After some intervals you want this photo panoramic. Now here you get this 180, 360 as well as many different options, and you get a time-lapse option in this photo mode. Okay, so I am in this video mode. I'll select the sports mode. So I'll be checking the zoom in result. So I'll be focusing this birds. It comes with the 2x digital zoom. Okay, so this is the full zoom. You can check the stabilization now. Now I'm moving a bit. This one is the fully zoomed out now.
Don't look back, we're here to stay. A life we knew would come one day. And this is it, the borderline to where the future leaves us behind. The fire will burn and never die, looking through the eyes of a brand new life. And so just find me.
So at present I am moving it horizontally. Okay, so let me try the vertical now. First I will go down. So here I am down. I am rotating it up. And now I will just roll the camera all the way side. So you can see how the result is. So nowadays even in your smartphone you get this video stabilization option, but it might not offer that great smoothness in your video compared to this gimbal. So this Osmo Plus gimbal, it gets 3-axis stabilization. Now when I say 3-axis, I mean the X, Y and the Z axis, the horizontal movement, the vertical movement as well as the rolling movement. So in all the three movements it gives you the best stabilization. Even in the photo, for example, if you are shooting the panorama view, maybe 360 degree or 180 degree, you will get the best results itself. So that's all for today guys. I hope you like this informative vlog, and if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe and subscribe button. Take care, bye bye.